From the thrill of the open road to the excitement in the air, filling the days with authentic and immersive travel experiences is what you do.
We do birthday celebrations and we do a lot of hosted trips.
The American Bus Association helps you keep your wheels moving and your travel tours booked.
This is where relationships really start. This is where you kind of make that first connection with anything in the business.
These are people that are just like us, in the tourism industry.
As the premier motor coach, group tour, and travel association, the ABA has delivered tremendous value to members since 1926. Our tank is always full with relevant resources in education, services, and events to take your business further, faster.
Things change all the time, and to stay updated and abreast of all of the developments in this market, ABA is the leading organization to do that.
Every year, members nationwide attend our marketplace, an iconic event that sparks ideas, fosters collaboration, and drives business.
It's really getting to meet some of those motor coach operators and tour operators who are really planning around the country.
We're actually booking business on the floor.
The people we meet here remember us, and we got business following up after this meeting all year long.
We're making great relationships with these people, one-on-one, face-to-face.
But our bus doesn't stop there. As your ally, the ABA represents your interest in government.
ABA takes care of us as one of the bus organizations. It has lobbying.
It's important to be a member because of various committees that we get to influence.
People who make up the boards and so forth bring a lot of experience to the table.
That's a great venue for developing a plan and advocating for the industry.
As we cruise towards 100 years of service, your ABA membership will continue to unlock a wealth of value.
It's the leading organization in group travel.
It just separates the men from the boys.
The information that you receive, the networking that you do.
Connections you make at ABA end up being lifelong friends, and they end up making your travel experience top-notch for our guests and visitors.